super quick trade recap from today. Um, Looking over here at the right side, we can see that we had sell side delivery today. So all three indices are in sync for once, which is what we like to see. That's a pretty good indicator that we're gonna follow through with price, which we did pretty much all day after the open. Um, so I took my entries on a lower time frame, 30 second, 15 second. Those two seem to be the best today. The 1 minute wasn't quite giving me what I was looking for, so we're gonna ignore these because these were pretty short, pretty small entries here. But this is the one that we want to pay attention to. So I dropped down to 15 seconds, so we'll take a look at that here. So we got an order block up here. I think this is actually on a 30 seconds, so or no, it might be 5 second. Yeah, 5 second time frame. So price was pretty fast at this point, so I was using the 5 second actually. So that'll give us a better look here. So coming over here, you can see that we got this order block right up here, and I was late. I wasn't able to take an entry, so I waited for us to retrace, took an entry with my stop at the midpoint of this, and there wasn't much liquidity down in this area, so I figured we had to be searching for inefficiency, and the closest inefficiency was a new day opening gap. So that made it fairly obvious that that's what we were seeking, so took the entry and I sold as soon as we pierced it, as you can see here. And from there we did end up retracing higher, so this is what we were seeking at that point. And I came back just a little bit later, right before the PM session started, and I could see that we retraced up here to the 7:29 a.m. first presented fair value gap. So I got to the desk around 1:10 or so, and we got an order block right up here, and I believe this is on the 15-second basis. So I will go up to that now. So looking at the 15-second basis, we got an order block here. I figured that was pretty trustworthy, and we were seeing some follow through. So I took an entry here, got rid of the first few contracts as we came into this here, which is the 7:30 p.m. first presented fair value gap. And then I took off the very last one as we were approaching yesterday's low, or the new day opening price from 7:30, and that was the last of the contracts. So it's pretty easy to take trades when we actually have follow through. We just have to make sure we see the right PD raise, and we got that today. So that made it way easier to trust taking entries as we saw the follow through we have here. So as always, good luck, good trading, be safe.